So hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got a brand new shift from the showroom. So the customer wanted to have a good quality audio upgrade. Initially he had a 2-channel amp from Polk and a subwoofer from JBL. So what he wanted is, he wanted to enhance his audio. So what we have done here is, we have added for Alpine S2 series, which is of high-res audio on the front component speakers, and for the back we have added a coaxial speakers. So then what we have done here is, we have added a damping. The reason why we use damping is, on shift, right, the vehicles will be very lighter. So when you are doing this kind of audio upgrade, what happens is, you will be getting a lot of rattling noise and the volume of your car becomes very less and the quality of the audio won't be good. So what we have done here is, we have added 2 layers of damping. So on Alpine S2, the best part of it is, it's an high-res audio and it is with an 80 RMS power. So this is a Swift car which has the capacity inside is very less. If you are going for 100 RMS power, the volume will be too high. So what we have done is, with an 80 watts. So let's listen to the audio quality, how it has come. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good setup of audio, please reach out to RS Car Premium.